I came up with this idea to build an addition, basically to the shed, and so we kind of refer to this as the lawn and garden shed attached to the workshop.
Right. Oh, that's great.
Because the original structure was built on a treated 2x6 floor system, Scott and his sons built the floor for their addition from the same material. Since it was only 4 feet by 10 feet, they built it on the ground before attaching it to the existing shed with long lag bolts. After they attached the treated plywood decking to the floor, Scott laid out and built the walls for the addition before he set them in place. Then they leveled and secured them to the floor and to the shed walls. All the rafters were also attached to a ledger board before they went up over the addition. The new roof matched the slope of the shed roof, but it tied in slightly lower on the wall to simplify the building process. Flashing was added along that wall to keep the water out. Next, the sheet siding for the addition was nailed directly to the studs to quickly enclose the space. So after some shingles and a few trim boards were added, the structure was complete. To create the odd-sized door, Scott used some plywood with 1x4s attached to the face to add extra strength and match the existing shed doors. The final touch was a ramp to allow easy access to the inside of the addition.
It's only about 4 feet wide, but you can see it's plenty of space. You have a power washer and a lawnmower. I love that elevated shelf.
Yeah,
that would be dead space otherwise way back there.
Well, and there's just tons of little small stuff that you use around the lawn and garden all the time. And so the great thing is it's out of the weather.
Right.
It's safe. You can lock it up.
I love the idea you put in. I like the idea you put in vents there to keep that area a little cooler.
Yeah, exactly. Well, when you store gasoline in there and that kind of thing, you don't want that stuff to all those vapors to accumulate in there.